Good evening, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. I came out here to show you guys apps that will make you guys money, that will help you out. For those of you that are looking to earn some cash on the side, okay? So we're going to get into it. Okay, so let's see here. I want to talk to you guys about specific apps here. Okay, so first app we're going to talk about is this is the app we're going to discuss. It's called Money App. Now, for those of you who don't know, Money App is an app that you can install on your phone and do certain tasks and complete offers and get paid for it. Now, when you first get on here, when you first download the app and install it and open it, it's going to ask you to enter a invite code that a referral, like a referral code that you found. Like, say you watched a YouTube video and they had a referral link to the Money App and you clicked on it and you signed up. Okay, well, you're going to enter that code and you're going to click Start Now, and you're going to continue the sign up process. It's going to bring you to your dashboard, and you're going to have points, 20 points for signing up with the referral code, okay? Here you have attendance rewards, check-in daily. This is every day you can check in and earn 20 points. Now, as you scroll down here, you're going to see offers, okay? These offers have really high point amounts to get you to your cash out, okay? As you can see right here, we have Epic Summoners. This is an app. It's free to install. All you have to do is play Epic Summoners, collect 1 7-star hero, and you get your points. And this is for new users only, okay? If you guys know how to play Epic Summoners, I would go and play it. If you don't, go on YouTube and look up how to play it and get one 7-star hero, okay? Now we got Vikings War of Clans, okay? Hold on, let me go back. I don't want to install that. I already have an app that I installed from here. I'll show you in a minute. But Vikings War of Clans, all you have to do is build the Hall of Mysteries, and you have to be a new user, and you get 17,094 points. Okay? If you do Elvenar, download Elvenar and reach Magic Academy in the Tech Tree, you get 2,963 points, okay? If you join the Disney Movie Club and you register and you pay for your movies, you get 7,392 points. I believe this is $5 for the Disney Club. I'm not sure. But this will get you your cash out immediately. I don't know how long it takes to receive it, but I do know that these are high paying points, okay? So the next one I would do, honestly, is Casino Slots House. You reach level 32 in the game and you get 9,280 points. Okay, and then you're going to click on this box where it says more offers, and you're going to go to Fantastic Offer Wall. This is what I've been using lately, you guys. Okay, so these are more apps you guys can install. You got the AFK Arena, reach level 32. You got Forge of Empires, download Forge of Empires and reach the Iron Age. You get 3,233 points. I would just do the ones that tell you to build something or reach a level, because most of you out there are gamers, and I'm pretty sure if you've played apps like App-like and they have a new one called Appster, I believe, or Appstar. It's out right now. It's on the Google Play Store. Same thing. You just install it and you play apps and you get points for it. And once you get enough points, you can redeem. Okay. So this says Rise of Kingdoms, upgrade city to level 17 and get rewarded 10,989 points. Okay. So these are easy, you guys. These are easy. I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. Okay, so you have more offer walls. You can watch videos and get 2 points. Right here you have some things you can do. You can complete your profile task and get 50 points. Facebook tasks, you get 100 points. Here we got rewards. You got PayPal is the payout, and it takes 24 hours. So 5,000 points gets you $5. 10,000 credits get you $10. 20,000 gets you $20, and 50,000 gets you $50. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the 5,000 points only because I want to see if it pays, and if it pays, I might go higher. Who knows? I want to see if it pays or not. And once I find out if it pays, I'll do a payment proof video showing you guys that I got paid. Okay. So yeah. And I'm going to take you guys to the app that I installed. It's called CoinMaster, and all you have to do with CoinMaster is reach village level 4, and you get points for it. Now get 3,000 something points just for reaching the village. So this is a really cool app. You know, I like. Okay. But yeah, you guys get the point. All you gotta do is reach complete village, get to village 4, and once you do that, you get your points. These are easy. I honestly was not interested in. Hold on, you guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, I wasn't interested in doing anything that required me to complete stuff. I'm just interested in doing things that require little to no effort, only because I'm helping you guys out. I'm showing you guys this. I want you guys to see exactly how it works. Okay, and this is basically CoinMaster. If you guys are playing CoinMaster, you know how it works. You have to match up It's not hard. I like this game. It's really awesome. But yeah, that's a money app. All you do is download apps. Yeah, and you just download apps and play the game and complete the tasks. And once you reach up to 5,000 points, you guys will get paid. Okay, so that's basically it. I mean, I have nothing else to go over. That's basically it. So I hope you guys liked this video. I want you to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below if you liked this video, if you didn't, if you want me to make more. And I also would like for you guys to hit the notification bell for future videos. Take care, you guys.